Hey, welcome back. Since it's probably going to be a couple weeks until I can get to the next M235i video, figured I should probably find something else to make a video about. And then it dawned on me, I've never actually done Dragy runs in the R8. So it's a mid-engine, naturally aspirated 5.2 liter V10, 305 width Pilot Sport 4S tires in the rear, s-tronic 7-speed DCT. Most importantly though, the quattro all-wheel drive. So you combine the DCT with the all-wheel drive and that gives you really awesome launch control. So let's see how it does 0 to 60. Awesome. I think the below freezing temperatures are helping the 10 cylinders of German Fury crank out extra power, because that's actually like 0.2 quicker than Audi advertises for the car. The car came with Pilot Super Sports from the factory, but when they wore out I upgraded to the Sport 4S's, so that could help a little bit. It's a little bit of wheel spin too, which is kind of mind-boggling when you think about the fact that it's spinning all four corners and they're 305 width in the rear, so it's a lot of punch off the line. I did have a sub 3 second run, but Dragy invalidates runs when the grade's steeper than about 1 degree in either direction. So I think I just need to try this, some more, find a good flat surface and get that perfect launch. And I think I could break below 3s, because I don't think for that one that it invalidated, it looked completely flat to my eyeballs. So I don't think that 1% grade, was what made the difference. I just think that run just had a better launch. So anyway, let's see how it did in the quarter mile. That's seriously quick. 1.83 60 foot's pretty good, but I think the car could do like 1.6s or so. It's got tons of power, all-wheel drive, decently wide sticky tires, so with a perfect run, stars lining up, good weather, all that crap, I think it could hit high 10s possibly, but I can't really complain. Flash tune would definitely get me there, no problem, but the only problem is warranty. So when that runs out, I might flash the car, but we'll see. VF Engineering's hex tune for the car adds 55 to 60 horse and 25 to 30 pound-feet of torque. And while that might seem impossible to gain on a naturally aspirated motor, it's legit, because this engine is the exact same motor that they put in the Lamborghini Huracan. They just drop it into the R8, put on the Audi valve covers. That's, other than aesthetics, it's the same motor, and then they just detune it from the factory. Unless you have the V10 Plus, which comes with the same power level. But the awesome thing is, for my engine, the only difference, as far as making that power is just the tune. So an aftermarket flash tune uncorks the power difference. So that's pretty awesome. But anyway, it's enough rambling. Hope you enjoyed this quick one, and I'll see you in the next one.